Welcome. If you've ever wanted to quickly gather opinions or make decisions with your friends or community on Discord, creating a poll is the way to go. In this updated guide, I'll show you exactly how to create a poll with a 1-hour duration, step by step, using Discord's latest features. Let's get started. First, open up Discord on your device. Make sure you're logged in and ready to go. You can use either the desktop app or the mobile version. Both work great for this process. Next, decide where you want to create your poll. You can do this in any direct message, group chat, or server channel where you have permission to post. Once you're in the right conversation or channel, look for the plus icon, usually located at the bottom left of your chat box. Give it a tap or click. From the menu that pops up, choose the polls option. This feature makes it super easy to set up a poll without needing any bots or complicated commands. Now it's time to fill out your poll. Start by typing your question. Make it clear and concise so everyone knows what they're voting on. Then, add your answer options. You can include as many as you need, but try to keep it simple for the best results. Here's the important part. Setting the poll duration. Tap on the duration option, and you'll see several time choices. Select 1 hour to make sure your poll runs for exactly 60 minutes. This is perfect for quick decisions or getting instant feedback from your community. Once you've double-checked your question and options and confirmed the 1-hour duration, go ahead and send your poll. Everyone in the channel or DM will be able to see it and vote right away. And that's it. In just a few simple steps, you've created a 1-hour poll on Discord. Use this feature to make decisions, gather opinions, or just have some fun with your friends and community. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to share it with others who might need it. Thanks for watching, and happy polling.